A few weeks ago, I did a video about Andrew Tate, and at this point it actually went viral and tons of people saw it. And there was basically one statement by me which led everybody to go super crazy in the comments, and I actually wanted to react to the comment section here because a lot of people were very upset about me saying that you going to the gym, waking up early, doing cold showers and doing all of those things have nothing to do with how much money you make. First of all, let's go through the comments and I'm gonna read a few things out here. And secondly, I'm gonna tell you why I'm saying this, what my real opinion is, and I wanna clarify a few things about all of this. Because most of you guys actually think that if you go to the gym, you're gonna have a clearer mindset and you're gonna be better as a person, you're gonna get more shit done, that's why you're gonna make more money. Unfortunately, that's not reality. And it will be super easy to actually live like that, and if you just go to the gym and you're gonna be rich, that's too easy. So first, let me go through the comments. I don't agree with the part about if you want to make money, drop everything else and only focus on the things which make you money. Andrew Tate also says first health, second family and friends, and third comes money. Going to the gym, making your bed is all major segments for your health. Your physical and mental well-being is necessary for you to make money. First of all, I have to say here, I agree that your health and your family is way more important than the money you make. Obviously, that's not something I'm arguing here. However, what I'm saying is people who go to the gym don't make more money because they go to the gym. This is such a minor detail which is not going to impact you making money. Here's the real issue. If your goal is making as much money as possible, you're going to have a bunch of things which are very clear to do and a bunch of things which are super unknown which you can do. For example, going to the gym is very simple. It's not easy, but it's simple. Like, you just go to the gym, work out, there's nothing to it, you just go and work out. There's nothing crazy to it. Making a store is super simple. It's nothing crazy again. You just make a store, make it look nice, it's gonna take a while, and you make a perfect logo. All of those things, they feel extremely productive. However, the actions by themselves will not make you more money. The strategy you actually use in terms of selecting a good product, making amazing ads, and how you advertise them, that's what's gonna make you money. Okay, those three things are gonna make you money. It doesn't matter if you went to the gym the day before, if you didn't go to the gym, if you made your bed, if you took a cold shower, if you do this at 5 p.m. or at 5 a.m., all of this doesn't matter. But it's very unclear how to do all of those things. If selecting a product can feel very unproductive because you don't know what you're searching for. You might think, I'm just gonna select this product because I personally like this. But you're gonna get lost and it's gonna be super tough to decide which is actually good, which is bad, which is better. Then making the ads, there's so many factors which come into that. Then running the ads on Facebook or on TikTok or on organic, wherever you do it, it's gonna be much more complex than the simple tasks. And whenever you have a task which is not super clear, you're gonna feel unproductive. But feeling unproductive doesn't mean being unproductive. Sometimes those more complicated things actually are 100 times more productive because I define productivity not something which you get done, but something which actually gets you closer to the goal you have. If you take 8 hours of going to the gym, jogging, making your bed, doing cold showers, eating clean, doing all of those things, if your goal was to make more money, those things were a waste of time. And again, I'm not saying that if your primary goal is being healthy, obviously that's gonna get you closer to your goal. However, you guys are living in this theoretical world. You read somewhere or you hear some millionaire say, I go to the gym, that's why I keep being disciplined and that's why I actually make all of my money. And then you think, if I go to the gym, I'm gonna be a millionaire. Him going to the gym was not the thing which actually made him the money. It was just complementary to the things he was doing. And if you, for example, say, me going to the gym is gonna allow me to be more focused on specific tasks and I'm gonna be more productive in them. You're gonna be focusing on bullshit more. You're gonna have more energy to focus on bullshit now because you have no clue what's important. You're gonna go to the gym, make your bed, go to take a cold shower, and you're gonna be energized to do bullshit. Because now you're gonna think, now I'm gonna hustle through 8 hours and make a perfect store. When in reality, you don't need to make a perfect store. You're gonna think, all right, now I have 8 hours, I'm gonna set up my company, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do that. And all those things don't get you closer to profit. The only things which get you closer to profit in dropshipping is selecting a really good product, making an amazing ad, running the ads correctly with a proper strategy, and then analyzing if something went wrong, what to split test, and what to change, and what to optimize, all right? Those are the things which will make you money. And none of those things are correlating with you making your bed. Because again, I cannot emphasize this enough. Feeling productive and being productive is a huge difference. And yes, you will feel more productive when you go make your bed. You will feel more productive when you go to the gym. You will feel more productive if you eat clean. but it does not matter. And you need to truly understand that you feeling something doesn't get you closer to profit at all. And the worst thing here is gonna be, you're gonna fall into this self-help cycle. However, you're not gonna get closer to profits, even though you're gonna feel great. And that's the worst state you can be in. Because if you're not getting closer to profits, but you feel great, you're not gonna change anything about it. Every single time you're gonna feel great, that's positive rewards to your brain. You're gonna think, I had a good day today because I went to the gym, I did this, I did that. When in reality, you did not get closer to profits, meaning that you did have a shitty day when it comes to the money segment of your life. Obviously, I'm not saying neglect your family, neglect your health when you want to make money. However, what I'm saying is going to the gym is your free time. You watching TV or going to the gym, basically the same thing for your business. However, for your health, obviously going to the gym is going to be better. But you need to do this after the important work is done. If you actually want to prioritize making money, if that's truly your goal, and if you're willing to do sacrifices here, if you ask every single entrepreneur, they sacrifice time with friends, with family, with sports, with hobbies, all of those things, they sacrificed a lot to actually make a shit ton of money. I am not different. I had periods of my time where I did not have time to go out. I did not have time to go to the gym. Am I going to the gym now? Yes. But at the time where I had the biggest jump in terms of money, I didn't go to the gym. The time where I actually went from not making any money to making 5 figures every single month in profit, that was honestly the biggest jump in terms of improving my life financially. Because obviously, when my businesses did 5 figures in profit every month to now where I'm making 6 figures in profit every month, the life itself did not improve drastically. All right, it's better. It's more fun. However, that first jump, the initial jump is much stronger. And in that period, I did not go to the gym. And literally it was a sacrifice of setting priorities. Do I go to the gym or do I spend time with my parents, with my brother, with my friends? What do I do? All right, what's more important? Because all of this is free time. And if I only have like 3 hours per day of free time, I chose to spend that with family and friends. I mean, in the end of the day, you could literally go through my case studies and look at the people which are in there. You're not gonna see that all of them are going to the gym. It's a very evened out thing. You're literally gonna see random ass people who make money. It's not because they wake up at 6 a.m. It's not because they make their bed. It's not because they take a cold shower. And especially, it's not because they go to the gym. It's not connected. Why is the success ratio of people who go to the gym not higher than of people who don't? Why is that the case? The reason is it's not connected. It's such a small minor detail, which is not important. Most people, again, focus on details which are not relevant. If you make a perfect logo on your store, will it increase your conversion rate? Maybe by 0.1%, maybe max. However, if you don't get sales, it doesn't matter. All right, if you don't have any sales, if you don't make hundreds of sales every single day, this 0.1% increase doesn't matter. However, after you make hundreds of sales every single day, this 0.1% actually does matter. It does increase your profits. However, it's advanced. It's not your problem right now. It's a minor detail. And people tend to overemphasize minor details versus things which actually matter. Now, I need to talk about one last thing, which is opportunity cost. Every time you do something, you didn't do something else. So every time you went to the gym, you didn't work on your business. Every time you worked on your business, you didn't go to the gym. Every time you spent time with your family, you didn't work on your business, didn't go to the gym. It's all connected. And you need to understand that opportunity cost is a loss. Every time you go to the gym, you need to think about the time you lose doing that. You lose family time, you lose business time, you lose friends time, you lose a bunch of things. And you need to understand what is the priority right now. Because honestly, not going to the gym for 1 year straight is not gonna make you the most unhealthy person, and you're not gonna die of cancer because of that, obviously. Because tons of people are not going to the gym and nothing really happens to them. Of course, going to the gym is better than not going to the gym, but you need to understand that there will be a period in your life where something will happen, you're gonna have an injury, or you're just not gonna have enough time, and you know, if I go to the gym now, because business is my priority right now, if I go to the gym, I don't have time for my family. What do you choose then? It's important to make right choices. I'm not saying what's right or wrong, I'm just saying that you need to keep in mind opportunity costs always exists. And unfortunately, most people just think of the positives of what they're actually doing, and they don't think of the negatives of what they're missing out while they're doing it. So for example, for me, I literally lost 1 full year of my life doing bullshit inside of business because I did not have a mentor. After I got a mentor, it took me around 3 months until everything blew up. The first year, the opportunity cost of me not getting a mentor was immense. At this point, I would make way more money, I would have way more time, everything would be better if I would have started with this mentor earlier. I had so many issues in the business which I could have easily solved with just a person who already knows their shit telling me, all right, this is the issue, change this, do this. And that's it. But I thought to myself, no, I'm gonna save my money, I'm gonna hold on to my money because I'm gonna figure it out by myself. But the opportunity cost here was so high because now I know how much my time here is worth right now. I literally understand if I would have gotten a mentor earlier, I would have had so much more time to spend with my little sister, to spend with people I love, and also I would have had more money. Do I regret all of this? No. Everybody has their journey, I just did my mistakes, and I know that those mistakes now could have been simply avoided. But I do know how much it actually costs me. So if you actually want to avoid the mistakes I did in the beginning and actually have a person who's going to guide you through the things you're doing and also call out your mistakes which you do, sign up for a call with me personally and we're going to find out if it's a good fit. Before you actually sign up for that call, I want to make sure that you're actually serious about all of this, and I want you to look at the case study playlist I have here, which I'm going to link somewhere, and you need to binge watch this playlist because you need to know what's expecting you inside of the program. You need to see which struggles they all went through because it's not easy. I'm not selling you this get rich quick thing because you're not gonna get rich quick. It's just reality, it's not gonna happen. However, if you push through and actually go through all the struggles they went through and still keep going and still do actually what I tell you and still follow this strategy, then you will make a lot of money. This program is mainly about me looking over the things you do and making sure that you're going in the right direction. Because most people, again, are focusing on things which they think are important, but in reality are unimportant as fuck. They listen to themselves without having knowledge. If you have a person in front of you who makes 1.5K every single month and they give you financial advice, would you listen to them? The answer is no. However, you listen to yourself even though you're not making a lot of money. Why the fuck do you do that? You need to understand that you would not listen to yourself as another person, but as yourself, you listen to yourself just because you think you're that important. So what this program is about is me and my team calling you out on bullshit and making sure that you're going in the right direction and not waste your time. If you want to do that, you can click the link below and sign up for a call with me.